Welcome to Yacht Education, Yachtmaster lesson. What is the NATO phonetic alphabet? S. The most widely used set of clear code words for communicating the letters of the Roman alphabet. With engaging visuals and clear explanations, we'll break down each phonetic word, demonstrate its pronunciation, and provide real-world examples of its application. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a newfound understanding of the NATO phonetic alphabet and its significance in modern communication. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 2, sand. This is the most widely used radio telephone spelling alphabet in the world. We use this alphabet to clarify communication for maritime operations, domestic and international flights, and NATO alliance military activities. Here is an example how to use alphabet. 8, 7, and 1, 5.